Former President Trump says he will appeal the ruling in his New York civil fraud trial on Friday. A judge ordered Trump to pay over $350 million for falsely inflating his net worth for years. Fox's C.B. Cotton has more.
This ruling is a significant shakeup for the Trump empire. Former President Donald Trump has been barred from leading any New York firm for 3 years. His sons, Don Jr. and Eric, have been barred for 2. Now, the judge's decision in this case comes a day after a judge set a date for what could be Mr. Trump's first criminal trial, now slated to begin on March 25th. Mr. Trump faces a combined total of 91 state and federal charges across 4 criminal cases. This courtroom calendar appears to only have bolstered Mr. Trump as the GOP frontrunner. As for the civil fraud trial, Judge Arthur Engoron wrote in his 92-page opinion, the former president and his sons engaged in a years-long financial scheme to deceive banks and lenders, and he said they showed no remorse in doing so. Engoron ruled Trump submitted false financial statements to banks to secure more favorable loan terms and said he didn't find Mr. Trump to be a credible witness. The judge writing, quote, overall, Donald Trump rarely responded to the questions asked, and he frequently interjected long, irrelevant speeches on issues far beyond the scope of the trial. His refusal to answer the questions directly or in some cases at all severely compromised his credibility. The former president slammed the ruling as a sham.
You build a great company. There was no fraud. The banks all got their money, 100%. They love Trump. They testified that Trump is great customer, one of our best customers. They testified beautifully.
Attorney General Letitia James called it a massive victory.
Donald Trump may have authored the art of the deal, but he perfected the art of the steal. This long-running fraud was intentional, egregious, illegal, and he did all of this with the help of the other defendants, his 2 adult sons and senior executives at the Trump Organization.
Trump and his attorney have vowed to appeal, which will likely take years in this case. From Trump Tower in New York, C.B. Cotton, Fox News.